There's a spill over here, a mess over there, and paper towels being wasted everywhere. Stop throwing all that cash in the trash and pick up ReCircles, the reusable multi-use towels that store to fit. Wipe, absorb, and clean all of it. ReCircles combine the convenience of a paper towel with the strength and durability of real cloth. Plus, they absorb up to 10 times their weight. And when you're done, just toss them in the included laundry basket to wash and reuse over and over again. And that's going to save you hundreds of dollars. ReCircles are made with a specially designed microfiber that absorbs up to 10 times their weight to pick up more from the counter, table, or floor. Even the toughest messes are no match for ReCircles. Quickly clean up cooking messes, absorb spills large or small, gently scrub cooktops and countertops. They're perfect for cleaning up the bathroom. Need to dry your hands? Don't reach for a paper towel. Reach for reusable ReCircles. And because of the unique center hole, you never need to fold. You simply stack and store. The average family spends over $200 a year on paper towels, but now you can save all that money with ReCircles. Call or go online to get the complete ReCircles system with 25 reusable towels, the storage stand, and the bonus laundry basket for the special discount price of just $29.99. ReCircles come in 3 colors. Keep one in the kitchen, one in the bath, and a separate one in the workshop to clean up fast. Order right now and you can get a second complete ReCircles system for 50% off. We'll even ship your second system free. Order now at GetReCircles.com. That's GetReCircles.com. Order now.